Hello everyone, it's Zexo here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Kung Fu Tiger Jump. So Kung Fu Tiger Jump is imitate tiger is trying to get his prey and jump. So that's why it's called tiger jump. In Mandarin, we call Hu Pu or Hu Tiao. If lay down you are trying to learn Kung Fu tiger style, this move you must know. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you from very basic roly-poly first, and once you get used to it, and we can try to jump in the air and roll over. Let's start our training. So in this tutorial, we are not trying to learn from roly-poly like this, because this can jump use too much of our spine here. If you try this can jump on hard surface like concrete, it will hurt your spine. But in this tutorial, we are trying to learn shoulder roll. So with the shoulder roll over, like shoulder roly-poly, will not hurt your spine. Okay? Let's start from step by step, and gradually we can jump in the air and roll over. Start with your right leg up front. If you like, you can do a tiger posture. Alright, now we do it slowly. Put your hands down and bend your arms, and then try to use your legs to give a push like this, and then you tuck in your head. Use your right shoulder to roll over. And remember, when you push with your legs, make sure your legs bend your legs, okay, like a bow. So from here, bend your elbows, tuck in your head and shoulder, and use your legs to push and bend your legs. Land on your feet, okay, land on your feet. If you don't bend your legs, you cannot roll over like this. Watch this. See? You bend your legs and land on your feet. Remember that. Let's try one more time. In slow motion, elbows bent, tuck in your head and shoulder and push, land on your feet. Alright? From this side, in slow motion first, and then we can speed up. Let's do a bit faster. For those of you, if you feel like to try with your left hand side, you can use the same method. Okay everyone, let's move on to the next step. We add some difficulty. Okay, let's give a try together. From tiger posture, you lift up with your left leg, and then you're going to roll over like this. Let's have a look. Pa! Okay, this move going to help you lay down. You're trying to jump. Let's have a look. From here, right? If your hands contact with the ground, you bend your elbows. You don't against the ground, not like this. So if you do like this, you cannot jump lay down. You have to make sure you dissolve the weight and roll over. When your hands contact with the ground and you bend your elbows and tuck in your head and shoulder. Alright, let's do a few more times. Tiger move, leg up, and roll. go. Let's do twice more. Okay, with the next step, step 3, we are trying to jump. Let's start. From tiger posture, you put your left leg together. We are trying to jump a bit. So don't jump too high yet. So lay down. Once you get used to it, you can jump higher. So we jump a little bit, and with your tiger claws, you can jump like this. Pop. Because we're not going to jump too high, we cannot reach our tiger claws like this. So once we get used to it, we can use our hand to straight up. Now, in the meantime, we try like this. Okay? Jump like this, huh? And then you roll over. Let's do in slow motion first. You jump, don't jump too high. You jump, jump, roll over. One more time. Tiger posture. Jump, roll over. Okay? In the air, you can do like a tiger claws. Once your hands contact with the ground, become hands. Remember that, alright? Or for beginner, you can just use push. Push with your hand, okay? Pam. Let's do a bit faster. Okay, let's try to jump a bit higher with this move. When you jump higher, your hands don't straight down anymore. You use your hands trying to lead you up. You jump up and you roll. Okay? Try not to jump further. Let's give it a try. We jump up and then we roll. Tuck in our head and our shoulder. Remember, please remember when your hands contact with the ground, and then you bend your elbows, dissolve the weight. Let's give it a go. Bend your knees, jump, from this side. Bend your knees, jump. Again. So it will be easier you take a one step like this. Take one step and you jump. Will become much easier. Let's give it a try. So with the tiger jump for beginners, if at the first you're trying to jump and you're bending your legs like this, so that means normal. And gradually you practice more and you get more confidence and you can let your legs become straight like this. Okay, lucky last step is challenge. So if you can do this move, that means you can master your tiger jump. So we are trying to jump in the air and double kick with your legs in the air. Let's have a look some demonstration first, and then we try to learn this double kick in the air. This is a tiger jump without kick. And this is tiger jump with double kick. Let's start with our double kick first. So you can put your hands down, right? and then use your hands, and then use your arm to support you. You bend your knees, and then you double kick. See? Pa, double kick. Listen to this direction, you can see. Jump, double kick. One more time. Double kick. Okay, next, let's try tiger jump with double kick. From here, you jump, you bend your knees. Okay, bend your knees. When your face facing down, and you double kick with your legs, and then you roll over. Let's try in slow motion. At the beginning, try not to jump too high yet. Did you see the kicks? Okay. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you next time.